Hey guys, Kinsey here, and I'm back with another press kit unboxing video. And this one is the press pack, which is obviously Pac-Man themed. And I was sent this by Numskull Designs, and they are putting out some really cool like replica arcade machines that are like little baby ones. And they're starting off with Pac-Man, and they're available for pre-order right now on quarterarcades.com, and they look really cool. They're pretty high quality from what I've heard. They even have like the mesh in the back and things like that, so looking a little bit more realistic. So, but before we dive into this baby, I think I need to liquor up. So we're gonna start with a beer. Trying to do more beer reviews because it's kind of my jam. And also I found this beer at my local bottle shop, so I couldn't not do this pairing. I mean, look at it. So this is the leader of the pack. It's a double dry hopped DIPA, which is a double IPA. So double dry hopped, double IPA. Bam. And it's obviously very Pac-Man themed. It looks awesome. And it's by Puyallup River Brewing. It's 8% alcohol. And I'm guessing Puyallup River Brewing is in Puyallup, Washington. Yep. And it's beer that excites. Well, you know what? I'm pretty darn excited about this Pac-Man themed beer, so let's give it a try. All right. It's looking good. That color. All right. So, leader of the pack, double dry hopped IPA. Ooh. Smells dry hopped, so that way you get a little bit more of that bajam hops, like when you smell it. Smells hoppy. I can't wait. All right, let's take a sip. It is pretty hoppy, but it's actually a little bit more mild than I thought it was going to be for a double IPA. But you know, in my case, that's actually not a bad thing at all, because it makes it a little bit more drinkable, because sometimes, like, double IPAs and triple IPAs, sometimes they're a little bit much for me personally. I know that, you know, some people out there love their beer bitter and hoppy, but I like hops, but to a point. So I'm always worried about, you know, double and triple IPAs. I'm like, am I gonna like this? I don't know. I like this. This is highly drinkable. It is hoppy and bitter, but I think in a really good way. I don't think it gives me all my stats I want, so the IBUs and stuff like that, but it's good. And you know what? It is Pac-Man themed, so how could I not buy it? Ooh, that is good. All right, so on to the press pack. Let's see what's in here. All right. Oh! Sorry, that's so stinking cute. If only it was an arcade machine, but you know what? This is adorable. All right, let's see what we got here. We have a lanyard, and it's really cute, and it has a little USB guy, so I'm assuming this is I don't know what to do with this, but he said that there was a USB drive in here with some assets on it, so that way I can have like B-roll and more information about the arcade machines that will be coming out. So let's also, I think this is supposed to be the back glass, even though it's kind of all over the place. There we go. Oh, but now I gotta get it back out. I just screwed myself over by trying to make it look nice. Oh jeez. Oh! Comes out the bottom. Except for the fact that I need a knife. I will be right back. Alright. Let's cut this open. Hopefully I was right. Oh, sweet God, I'm doing it wrong. I should have left it together. Okay. So it looks like I got a pretty rad pin set. And I really like this. This is really awesome. I will probably use these. They will look great on some of my dresses and stuff like that. Pac-Man dress, yeah. Actually, I kind of like the way they look in here too, even though it was really hard to take out. But it's really cute. I like the way they did this. All right. Oh, there's a note. Probably should have read that first. All right. Numskull Designs here. All right. Yeah, this is just talking about that they are launching some high-end collectible, playable Quarter Arcade Pac-Man quarter scale arcade cabinet replicas. Bam! And they're like, we got some Pac-Man goodies for you in this very fancy exclusive press pack. Yes, we're very proud of the pun. You know what? I'm proud of you too. Oh, don't throw out that lanyard. There's a USB stick attached to it with tons of info. Yeah. I'm gonna use it. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, Pac-Man Backpack. Whoop. Yeah, backpack. It's looking good. God, I'm screwing it up. Okay. Feel pretty good about this press pack, right? I don't even know if you can see it. Well, so that is the press kit that I was sent for the mini arcade machines, and I can't wait for them to come out right now. Pac-Man is the one that's on pre-order right now, but they're looking into doing Ms. Pac-Man, which is my favorite, and Galaga and Galaxian. So, I mean, that's pretty sweet. And then I hear that they're talking to other companies to try to make, you know, more mini arcade machines. So I'm really excited to see what they look like when they finally come out, because I've heard nothing but good things about the quality, so we'll see. And I'm really looking forward to that Ms. Pac-Man. That's the one. All right, and you know what? I'm so excited that I found this beer to go with this, because this is awesome. So thank you so much for watching, and you can find me on the internet at KinsZilla, KinsZilla, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And thanks for subscribing, and cheers.